Hello everyone, this is Justin Jose Thomas. My registration number is UR15CS031. This is my exp number 6 and case tool labs. It's about activity diagram of passport automation system. So a quick description about the activity diagram is a type of a flow chart with additional support for the parallel behavior. This diagram explains overall follow of control. Then activity diagram is another important diagram in UML to describe dynamic aspects of the system. In activity diagram, we'll be having two diagram. One would be without streamline and another would be with streamline. So the first without the streamline is this one. This is the initial state. From initial state, we have synchronized like enter the user ID, then enter the password. Then it will verify the user ID and the password. After verifying the user ID and password, if the uh, user ID or the password is correct, then it will go to the submit details part. Otherwise, it will go to the starting point here in the initialized state. As the verified user ID and password is correct, so we have to submit the details. If the details are wrong, then again we have to submit the details, or else it will go to the payment section. In payment section, you have to pay the amount. After paying the amount, we will go to the inquiry details. Then the details will be inquired or verified. If the details are wrong, then it will log out directly, or else it will go to the police verification. If the police verification is correct, then you can issue the passport, and as soon as you get the passport, you can directly log out. And this is the final state of that. Now we go to the streamline. Here we can see applicant, admin, passport officer, police, and a database streamline boxes are there. So for applicant, the initial state, same as login, a synchronized part will be there where we have to enter the user ID and the password. If the password is not correct, then it will again go to the login part, that is come under the admin section. Then we have to submit the details which will be in the applicant. After submitting the details, it will again verify with the admin part whether the format is correct or not. If it's not correct, then again we have to submit the details, or we'll go to the password officer where we have to make the payment of the money. As we done the payment of the money, we'll go to the police section where the details will be inquired. As the details are inquired, it will verify the details. If the details are correct, then it will go to the confirmation of the police, then issuing the passport, and it will log out. Else, it will go to the wrong details part. Then, after inquiry of the details, it will store the details in the database system. The database system will be having all the details of that. If the details are correct, then as I said, it will go to the confirmation of the passport police verification of the applicant box, then issuing the passport, then logout. So this is all about my experiment. Thank you for watching the video.